Welcome to Plumber Pro Tips. Get ready to learn the best tricks and techniques from the pros. Let's dive in and fix it right the first time. Welcome to Plumber Pro Tips. Today we are going to continue our video on how to simply unclog a sink that is not draining, part 2. If you didn't watch part 1, you should also have a look at it if this doesn't solve your issue. So firstly, you should go to the cabinet under your sink, and you should see something similar to this. Put a bowl under it, since some water can come out. Make sure is enough if you still have a lot of water on the sink. So now it should be very straightforward. If this is not too tight, you should be able to open it with just your hand. Otherwise, in that case, you can need a tool, but be very careful with that to not damage anything. Continue turning until it comes out, but be prepared for the water. Clean all the waste that is inside trap and make sure it's fully cleaned. Also have a look on the tailpipe, this one on the top. Make sure it is all clean and that nothing is blocking the pipe. When everything is clear, put everything together again. Make sure it is easily turning and that stays well secured to avoid any leaks when you turn the water again. Now test the sink again, and hopefully your problem should be now solved. Otherwise, give a try to part 1 of this video. Thanks for tuning in to Plumber Pro Tips. Remember, a leaky faucet isn't just annoying, it's wasting water and money. Tighten those connections and save both. And when it comes to unclogging drains, skip the chemicals and opt for a trusty plunger or plumber snake. Keep those pipes flowing smoothly. Like the video and subscribe for more expert advice on all things plumbing. See you next time.